Your header is this section at the top of your website. To edit it, just simply hover over it until it highlights, then click on the pencil icon in the top left. And this will open up your header settings. You have some options here for design on the left-hand side, and then you have your header layout here at the bottom. You'll see it split into 3 different sections, and you can add in new elements to your header by clicking on the plus icon. You can also reorder the existing content within your header. You can do this simply by dragging an element and moving it into a new position. I moved my menu over to the right, and you'll see that change reflect here in the header in real time. And we should also change out the logo in our header as well. Let's click on the back button, then click into Site Title and Logo, then click on Change Logo. Select your logo here, then go to the bottom right and click on Select. And here, if your logo is like mine, I would recommend cropping the logo. Right now, there's a lot of negative space on the bottom and top of the logo, and that can make our header look unusually large. So I'll take the slider at the top and bring it just above my logo, and I'll do the exact same thing for the bottom slider. Now go back to the bottom right and click on Crop Image. And you'll see that my logo is now uploaded here. To change the size of your logo, go down to Logo Width, and use the slider to make it bigger or smaller.